Next up, shortcut for Handshake. Before we begin, check out maps.techno.co where you'll find this video as well as thousands of others detailing everything you need to know about every quest, each step, and it even rotates based on your faction. Complete quests easier, maps.techno.co, Arena Breakout Infinite, and now Grey Zone Warfare. In this, we need to find an underground passage from YBL to Fort Narith. We've already been there for previous quests if you've been following my guides, and much like the previous ones, there's another shortcut we can take here. Take absolutely nothing. You'll see why in just a moment. So for now, I'll drop everything, and with nothing in hand, we can now call in the heli to take us to Lima 1 by YBL 1. Essentially, what you'll do is you'll come all the way to Lima 1, enter down into this little one-way entry here, and just run to where you need to be. If, however, you have other quests to do, such as living in boroughs where you need to move around YBL 1, then it's probably worthwhile bringing a gun with you. Otherwise, if you just have this quest to do in YBL 1, I'll show you how to do it with a super fast shortcut approaching the secret entrance as usual. You'll come over here, then drop down, and we'll continue just as usual. Left, then down here, you'll see the corpse that we were at for a previous quest, and grabbing loot if any, we'll head down here, and just at the bottom here, clearing our left first, the right you'll find a bunch of rubble. This was the pathway to Fort Narith, but now it's not much of a pathway anymore. So we'll just report findings, and there we go. That's it. Find your way back to base and hand it in. And now that we're back, we can hand in this quest, and that's it. So hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.